The 3D extension identifies a Micrografx Designer 3D drawing file containing three-dimensional vector illustration data from Micrografx Designer software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or recover these legacy 3D design files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized 3.D file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. 3.D files are three-dimensional drawing files from Micrografx Designer, a discontinued Windows vector illustration and design application. They contain 3.D vector objects with perspective rendering material definitions, light sources, and camera positions for technical illustration. Micrografx 3.D files use a proprietary format, storing 3.D vector geometry with surface materials, light source configurations, camera viewpoints, and rendering parameters. They support wireframe hidden line and basic shaded rendering modes for technical visualization. CorelDRAW Technical Suite is the standard set by Corel Corporation for accessing the 3.D format. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows may miss advanced 3D elements, so complete viewing requires dedicated modeling software. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your 3.D file, then click Open With. Try CorelDRAW Technical Suite first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If you still can't open the 3D file, it's okay. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent 3D problem. First, opening the file. Micrografx Designer was acquired by Corel. Try opening 3D files in Corel Designer Technical Suite, which may include legacy Micrografx format import. If unavailable, try CorelDRAW or general-purpose vector applications that may support limited Micrografx format reading. Next, converting to modern formats. If you can open the 3D file in any compatible application, export to a standard 3D format such as OBJ or to 2D vector formats, like SVG or PDF. For technical illustrations, export rendered views as high-resolution PNG or TIFF for use in modern documentation. Finally, recovering artwork. If no application can open the file, contact professional data recovery services specializing in legacy format conversion. As a last resort, recreate the 3D illustration in modern applications such as Adobe Illustrator with 3D effects or Blender using any printed copies as reference. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.